CoConstruct offers an array of powerful features that can revolutionize your project management workflow, and today, we're diving into the must-see tools that you should definitely check out. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to get access to these features with an extended free trial and some exclusive bonuses. Now, before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can try CoConstruct completely free right now using the first link in the description below. And yes, you'll also get access to some great bonuses, so don't miss out on that. Let's get into the first game-changing feature, the Client Portal. This feature provides a seamless way for your clients to track the progress of their projects in real time. It's not only great for keeping clients updated, but it also fosters trust by giving them a direct line of sight into budgets, schedules, and change orders. You can share photos, documents, and even status updates all in one place. This is a must-have if you want to avoid unnecessary back-and-forth communication. Next thing, the customizable project templates. If you're tired of starting every project from scratch, CoConstruct's customizable templates will be a lifesaver. You can create templates tailored to your specific workflow, which means you can easily replicate successful projects. This not only saves you time, but ensures consistency across all your projects. The third thing you can't miss is job cost tracking. With CoConstruct, you get an integrated system that keeps an eye on every dollar spent. This feature allows you to track costs in real time, so you know exactly where your budget stands at any given moment. You can easily compare actual costs against estimates, making it much easier to stay within budget and avoid unexpected overruns. Next, scheduling. CoConstruct has an incredibly intuitive scheduling system that allows you to map out tasks, assign them to team members, and monitor progress. It's all about making sure deadlines are met and resources are optimized. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to reschedule tasks and shift things around when needed. The fifth feature I want to highlight is change orders. Managing change orders can often be a headache, but CoConstruct makes it straightforward. This feature allows you to easily create, track, and communicate any changes to the scope of a project, all while maintaining transparency with clients. You can even generate automatic change order requests that can be sent for approval right from within the platform. Next thing, let's talk about integrations. CoConstruct integrates with a wide range of other tools, making it easier to bring all your project data together. Whether you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or cloud storage like Dropbox, CoConstruct ensures that everything works smoothly together without any manual data entry. Finally, there's the mobile app. CoConstruct's mobile app ensures that you can manage your projects on the go. Whether you're on-site or out of the office, you'll have full access to all your projects, schedules, client communications, and more, all from the palm of your hand. This is incredibly convenient for busy professionals who need flexibility and instant access to project details no matter where they are. As I mentioned earlier, you can try CoConstruct free right now with our exclusive offer by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't forget, this includes a special extended trial that lets you experience all these powerful features for yourself without any commitment. To sum it up, CoConstruct offers some seriously robust tools that can save you time, keep your projects on track, and boost client satisfaction. From customizable templates to real-time job costing and mobile access, these features are essential for streamlining your construction management. So, if you're looking for a way to level up your project management game, CoConstruct's features should definitely be on your radar. Don't miss out on the exclusive extended trial. Click the link below to get started today.